Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to insert the component in the breadboard. Firstly, we have breadboard, Note MCU 82 ESP8266, OLED display, sound sensor, USB port and jumper wire. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we put the Note MCU ESP8266 to the breadboard, and then we put the OLED display at here and the sound sensor. Alright. Okay, next we move to the jumper wire, which is we have 4 port at here on OLED display. Okay. Okay, and then the first one we put the red wire to the D2, and the second wire on OLED we put on the first D1, and it must the third port for OLED display we put at 3V3, and the lastly we put on GND. Okay, on the sound monitor ni we put 3 port at here. Okay, and then the 3 port must be transferred to the ESP. The 3 port here must transfer to the ESP8266. It must put on the AO, and the second one put on the GND, and lastly put on the 3V3. Okay, lastly I'm gonna put the USB port at ESP8266. Okay, that's it.